Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. In our previous tutorials, I explained the different types of codes standard related to HVAC, and today in this tutorials I am going to explain you is the application of air conditioning system in our life. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys please to subscribe my channel and please share my video and don't forget to subscribe as well. So let us start now. As you can see, this is the air conditioning system. I already explained this. So now I am going to explain you about application of air conditioning system for human comfort. Okay, so we are using this air conditioning HVAC system for residential building, offices, then hotels and restaurants, supermarkets and malls, then hospitals. For our human comfort application, we are using these places this HVAC system. Okay. So next application is for process control. So process control, we are using the HVAC in textile industries, photographic process, CNC and CNC. Clean room is nothing but the medical industries. We also using this HVAC system. Then pathological labs. Okay, then MRI rooms, digital X-rays, digital X-rays room, etc. We are using this HVAC system. Then operation theaters. Also, we using HVAC in operation theaters. Food processing industries, dairies product and frozen food, etc. We using this is process control sites HVAC system. Okay. Next is standard societies. So there are so many standards involved in HVAC. So first one is ASHRAE. ASHRAE is nothing but American Society of Fitting, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. ISRE, Indian Society of Fitting, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning System. SMACNA, Sheet Metal and Air Conditioning Contractors National Association, Standard Tech Designing. DW144 is ductwork. IS is nothing but the Indian Standard ARI, Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Institutes. ASTM, American Society of Testing Materials. SIPSI is Chartered Institute of Building Service Engineers. UK Standard DIWA is nothing but Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. Qatar Karama, RC Royal Commission, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. IGBC, Indian Green Building Concept, Indian Green Building Associations. Carriers Air Conditioning. The first industries in the field of air conditioning system is the Carrier. Father of air conditioning is Dr. Willis Haviland. Carriers is the first person who invented the Carrier air conditioning. Dr. Willis Haviland Carries is the father of air conditioning. So